Hello, in this video I will explain how to draw an isometric projections from two orthographic projections. These are two orthographic projections. This is the front elevation and this is the side elevation of this ground plan. To start drawing a isometric projection, first we need to draw a isometric plane. For that I need a baseline from where I want to start. So this is my baseline I'm drawing. On the baseline, I need a perpendicular at 90 degree, and then I need y-axis and z-axis. In this case, this perpendicular is x-axis. I need y-axis on my right at 30-degree angle. So let's draw a line at 30-degree angle. And then I need a perpendicular on for the z-axis line. I can mirror this just to match the angle. So if I object this and mirror it against my perpendicular, I will get the line for the z-axis. So this is the plane for the y-axis, this one, and this is the axis for the z-axis. This is the axis for the x-axis. Now let's start. To start with, we will draw the side elevation on y-axis and will draw front elevation on the z-axis. Let's start. So first thing we want to draw is to check what is this depth, and we want to put this depth on this axis. So this depth is 3 feet 6 inch. So first I want to draw a line at 3 feet 6 inch on this y-axis. So let's pick a line, start from this corner, stay on to the uh, y-axis and put the amount distance 3 feet 6 inch. This is your line for 3 feet 6 inch. From this 3 feet 6 inch, which is this line, I want to draw a vertical line, which is this line. The measurement for this line is 2 feet 8 inch. So let's draw a vertical line from the end of 3 feet 6 inch at 2 feet 8 inch. This is your last line. From your vertical line, you want to come to your left for this distance, which is 6 inch. So draw a line from the end of this vertical 6 inch inside. You can take this line and put it inside, or you can draw another line at 30 degrees angle. So 6 inch, enter. From this 6 inch, which is this line, I want to draw this line, vertical line, which is of 2 feet. So let's draw a line, vertical line of 2 feet. Right? And from this 2 feet, I want to draw a line, which is this line, and this should be 3 feet. 3 feet. So draw a parallel to your y-axis, draw a line and on 30 degree of 3 feet, which will meet to your x-axis. This is your first shape, which is this one. We'll come to this part later on. Now let's draw your front elevation on your x-axis. To draw that, first we want to draw this width, which is 3 feet. So draw a line on your z-axis at 3 feet. So mark it at 3 feet, enter, enter. From this 3 feet, I want to go to this height, which is 2 feet 8 inch. This height. So draw a line at 2 feet 8 inch. 2 feet 8 inch, enter, enter. Right? Within this, mark a point on this line, which is for this step. And the distance of this step is from here to here is 2 feet. So if I draw another line on top of this line, which is at 2 feet, this line, which is for this step. Now let's measure this distance. I can draw this line also at the first, but I'm leaving this at the moment. First I want to draw, because this line is for this portion. So this distance from here to here is 1 feet 4 inch. So I want to come to my right towards to my x-axis at 1 feet 4 inch. So at 30-degree angle, 1 feet 4 inch. From 1 feet 4 inch, which is this one, I want to come this deep, which is 8 inch. So a vertical line 8 inch. Then from this 8 inch, I want to go parallel to my z-axis for this distance, which is 10 inch. From here to here, you see is 10 inch. So draw a line parallel to your z-axis at 10 inch. Then I want to come 8 inch deep. And then this is 10 inch for the first step. So from here to here is 10 inch, and height of this one, this step is 8 inch from the zero level. This is the face for this front elevation. Now we want to draw these lines and lines for these steps. So I know that the first step, which is this step, is 3 feet deep. So if I draw a parallel line to my y axis, which is for the depth, if I go 3 feet in, then this should give me the distance for my depth. So I can, if I draw a parallel line from this corner to my y axis at 30-degree angle at 3 feet, this will be my first step. So draw these parallel line from each corner you see. But before doing that, from this 3 feet deep line, so that is also 3 feet, and then I can draw parallel to my my z-axis. So if I draw parallel line from my y-axis, which will be 1 feet 4 inch, 1 feet 4 inch, then I want to draw a parallel for this, which is 8 inch. So if I want to come deeper, 8 inch, and draw a parallel line, then draw a parallel line, again 3 feet, and 10 inch, and if I draw this at 3 feet, and then draw a vertical line 8 inch, and then this should be 10 inch. So as you see, now your step has come in a shape, right? Now I want to draw this face for the top of this line, which will be the depth of this face is this depth, which is 3 feet. So if I draw parallel line to my z-axis for these two lines, I should get this line. So draw parallel to my z-axis a line of 3 feet. So 3 feet deep on 30°, 3 feet deep. And then if I match this a 6-inch line from here to here, you see this is 6 inch, and then this should be 8-inch height. So 8-inch. Let's trim what we do have extra. So take this out, take this out, take this out, take this out, and then I don't need this line, my perpendicular. So this is what it looks like to be the isometric projection for this orthographic. If I color it, this is my front elevation, which is this one. In this front elevation, what I will see is this face and this face, which is this portion. So if I take the dimensions out, this portion and this portion. So if you come, let's draw a polyline from this portion. 1, 2, 3. And if I give it color, which is the color of the green. So this is my front portion, and this portion also I will see in the front elevation. And a color. I want this. So this is your front. This over here, this is step, this is step, and this is step. These are all my plan. So if I draw polyline for this portion and give it the color of my plan, which is the blue color, this blue, oh, not this blue, a lighter blue, sorry. This is also my top plan. And sorry. And then this is also my top plan. And this is also my top plan. Right? This portion, this white portion, and this white portion, these are my side elevation. So let's draw our side elevation. And the color for this side is the orange. So I will draw a polyline for from here to here to here to here, and then here to here to here to here, and here to here. Your side, which is orange, your front, which is light green, and your blue is your top. So if you look to your front elevation, side elevation, and your ground plan, and then look to the isometric projection, you should have an idea what is coming from where. Thank you. Let me know if you do have questions.